Do you guys hear that? Did you hear that? What did you do today, Cris?
Oh, I bought chicks.
So we got how many?
7.
And hopefully they all survive. We'll see.
Yeah. Okay.
The wire out of the way. Oh, that's for the food. Sorry.
Yes.
So these are going to be our first experiment at meat chickens. In other words, these are raised specifically to eat, not to lay eggs. These grow. Do you want to explain it, or you want me to explain it?
Yeah.
He's telling me to explain it.
Yes.
You said these grow in 6 weeks. They're ready.
Just in 6 weeks already.
So the other ones, you have to wait 3
For
months.
lay and eggs.
Like 4 months, 4 months to lay eggs.
4 months.
And to eat 3 or 4 months.
This is 5 months.
Okay, a few months to eat. So these ones you can raise a lot quicker, and they're also more delicate, I think is what you were telling me, because they can get sick really easy and they can't get wet.
Yeah.
So this is the perfect time to do it because we're in the dry season right now. It starts raining in end of May, early June, and we're in end of March right now. So we've got all of April to like experiment for the first time and see how many survive. So there they are. And if you've seen the shorts, Leia has already been like trying to play with them. It looks like Lucas is coming out here. Lucas, what's up, buddy? Oh, how you doing? Did you wake up from your nap? And this is the, we're gonna keep that rooster.
Yeah.
Where's the other one? And that's the other hen. So she started laying eggs like about a week ago.
Yeah.
They're small chickens. And those are the 2 normal egg layers we have. And then is Frida inside? Maybe.
No.
I don't know where she's at.
Maybe here in the compost.
She might be in the compost. What's up, Lucas? Meow. So what I was getting at is because I wanted to show the rooster because he's down in there. You can't see, but he's back in there. So he's how old is he? 4 months.
Oh, yeah, 3 months.
3 months old. So he's back in there. He's about the size of those 2 girls now, and you're going to be butchering him soon. He's about to become soup or tacos. Because
ahí está Frida. I see Frida.
Oh, she's under there too. So the 2 baby roosters are both the same age, but one of them is very big and the other one is very small, and they started fighting yesterday or the day before yesterday. So it's time to get rid of one of them. So we're getting rid of the big one because the small one, he's not big enough to do anything, and he doesn't fight with the other ones. So we're gonna leave them alone. Anyway, Lucas, you wanna come say hi? Luke. Come say hi to the video. Yeah, you're a good boy. You guys remember he was really sick like 2 months ago?
Yes.
He ate something bad and what's up, buddy? And he had like 72 hours in the bed, and we were almost gonna take him to the vet, but he's put on weight again now, and he's a big boy. Oh, he got scared because they sees the girl in the woods back behind there. Anyway, new chickens. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, everybody. See you in the next video.